Good afternoon. My name is Jennifer Noreen, and I'm here with a real estate advisor, Marie Pettie. Marie owns Safe Harbor Property Management and also Safe Harbor Property Development Services now. She's a very busy lady, woman business owner. Marie, how are you today?
I am awesome.
Nice to see you.
Yes. Yeah.
So we want to talk about the market. I know that Pacific Northwest is often talked about as a very hot real estate market in general, but here in the South Sound area especially is also very busy and active right now. So Marie, can you talk about the areas that your companies serve and kind of what's going on with the market here presently?
Yeah, I can speak to the Pierce County area, which is where we mainly service our properties. And you had mentioned that the South Sound market is generally a hot market. Yes, it is, but it has had kind of a downturn from last year, just because of interest rates and that have gone up in the market. Buyers are being a little bit more cautious, but we're going into the buyer-seller market coming up in after taxes, March, April. I've already started to get in the pipeline some sales that are coming up.
So when you say the prices are shifting, are you referring to commercial and residential, or mostly the residential market?
Mostly in the residential market.
Okay. So
yes.
Do you have any comments on commercial, or is that so different that it's not even in the same
I don't
conversation?
think, yeah, that's really different as far as
Different
the
trends.
different trends and different things that are going on in the commercial market.
Yeah, but you work with property owners to help them manage their properties, but you also assist them in their real estate transactions.
Right.
It's part of what you do every day.
I do.
What opportunities, so you say there's a downturn, but what opportunities are they seeing, or are there opportunities?
Right now, I'm seeing a lot of construction going on in the Pierce County area. I guess, well, what's happening is the supply chains are opening up a little bit. People are venturing out there. They're still having problems getting things done, but there are a lot of things that have started being built. A lot of developments of apartment communities. Haven't seen too many single-family home, like the spec homes or anything like that, but I have seen a lot of affordable housing and multifamily construction going on.
So is it typical in a downturn to see an increase in development of properties, or is that unusual? Is that unusual for our market?
I think these were in the pipeline, and people are seeing the opportunity to go for it now, and seeing where a lot of the cities, like the city of Lakewood, city of Tacoma, have abatements that are in place, tax abatements and things that make it attractive for people to start to build, especially when the supply chain is opening up just a little bit.
Yeah, okay. So not terribly unusual then. Not unusual for our market to see that.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Well, so what's the day-to-day of your business doing? Is it shifted how you are spending your time? And
Not really. We are still, of course, busy with the property management and still busy with development. We have quite a few new development apartment communities in our pipeline that we're looking at the end of 2023, doubling our unit count. So we are really excited and ramping up for that. We just hired a new property manager / leasing person who's on fire and really doing a great job.
That's exciting.
Yes.
Wow. You need to call and talk to Nick at the office.
For sure.
Yeah. So busyness in the new development properties, but also just probably keeping your current rentals serviced and leased up and all of that.
Leased up,
Yeah.
the turns and everything. And then also still the tail end of dealing with pandemic moratorium issues, trying to get through court and some of the units and, trying to tie up those loose ends now that we don't have any more restrictions on our...
Yeah, and you're assisting owners through that process.
Yes.
Yeah. So you love to work with owners that have multifamily units and also single family units that they have as rentals already, or if they're looking, are you also wanting to talk to people if they're looking to build their portfolio?
Oh, yes.
with that type of thing? So they
Of
don't have to
course.
come to you with a property.
Right, yeah. What was really good about coming to us for that particular looking where to build or where to purchase is that we get phone calls all the time looking for units, and we can kind of say, well, we're getting a lot of phone calls in this area in the university, or we're getting a lot of phone calls in the Auburn area. You might want to look in that area because people are really interested in those areas.
Yes. So
Yeah.
even though one of your companies is the property management firm, really they can come to you for that pulse on the market too.
Right.
It's always fun to speak with you because you have kind of that. You see what's going on the resident side, but you also see what's going on the investor side pretty much as part of your role every day. So
Right.
you
Because-
speak with authority on that because it's your experience in the office, right?
Right,
You see the
right.
trends.
It's
yeah.
the two just go hand in hand
Yeah.
because even if you're quote unquote a mom and pop, you're still going to run it as a business and you're still an investor. So,
Sure.
yeah.
Yeah. So if you want to know what those hot rental markets are, you're going to have to give Marie a call. So Marie, why don't you tell everybody how they reach you if they want to speak to you about the rental market?
Well, they can definitely call my office number at 253-302-3079.
Okay. And if they want to email you, how could they get a hold of you that way?
My direct email is safeharborrents@gmail.com.
Right. And you can also visit the website at safeharborrents.com as well and fill out the contact us form. So very good. Well, it's always good to
Yeah.
speak with you, Marie. Thank you for the update.
Thank you.
And feel free to reach out to Marie if you'd like to learn more.
Thank you.